This series is all about the cheapest foundations that look amazing on mature skin. So let's get right into it. I'm starting with a clean face and no primer. With this foundation, I prefer to dip my kabuki brush in the foundation and then start in the center of my face. Once I have the center of the face covered pretty well, I'll go ahead and work it gradually toward the outside of my face. This makes sure that I get the most coverage in the center and that as I go out toward my ears and my forehead, it actually thins out and less makeup is around the exterior of my face. By the way, if you're new here, my name's Camille Cower and I do mature makeup for over 50s. You may be shocked to find out that the foundation I'm using today is by Wet n Wild. It's called their Photo Focus Dewy Liquid Foundation Makeup. I chose this for so many reasons, but first of all, because it just looks beautiful. It looks gorgeous in photos and it looks beautiful in person. The second best part is it's right around $6. It's also long-lasting and ultra lightweight, cruelty-free and vegan, and they have an excellent shade range to include everyone. I'm wearing this in the soft beige. This also comes in 2 finishes, so you can choose dewy if you're dry or combination skin, or matte if you have oily skin. Once I do my initial blending of the foundation, I like to switch to my sponge. This is a really soft, dry sponge, and the idea is to press it against the face to remove excess makeup and also pressing the makeup into the skin. That way the makeup doesn't look like it's sitting on top of your face, but it just looks like a second skin effect. You can do this with an ordinary egg blender as well. I just prefer my Stance Out sponge. Here's what it looks like without any other makeup. This formula uses a light deflecting complex, which means that the light bounces off of your face and makes your skin look more perfect than it really is. Here's what it looks like with the rest of my makeup on. Not bad for under $10, right? I'm 57. I have a ton of large pores on my nose especially, and some of my cheeks. I have tons of fine lines and wrinkles. This just looks amazing. Links to products will be on screen and in the description. I'll see you in the next episode of this series next week.